Hi everyone, struggling with windstream issues like no internet, no Wi Fi, or slow speeds. In this video, we will guide you through simple solutions to fix it fast. Let's dive in. Why windstream internet issues occur? To troubleshoot windstream internet issues, check for proper modem light indicating connectivity, ensure all cables are securely connected, and power cycle the modem. If problem persists, test a wired connection and limit bandwidth usage from other devices. Finally, contact Windstream support for further assistance if needed. Understanding modem lights, power light. Ensure the power light is green if it's off, your modem is powered down. If it's red, the router is in rescue mode and you should contact support. Internet connection light. Look for a steady green light indicating a good connection. A blinking green light means it's attempting to connect, while a red light indicates failed authentication. Wireless and Ethernet lights. Confirm that the wireless light is green and steady for Wi Fi connectivity. For Ethernet connections, ensure the corresponding light is also green and steady. Fix 1. Power cycle your devices. Modem or router reset. Unplug your modem and router. Wait for 60 seconds, then plug them back in. This process can help refresh the connection. Desktop or TV. Unplug the device experiencing issues like a computer or a TV from the power source and leave it unplugged for at least 60 seconds before plugging it back in. This can resolve many connectivity issues. Device restart. Restart your computer, smartphone, or a tablet to refresh the network connection. Windows, open command prompt and type shutdown or R. On Android, press and hold the power button, then select restart or reboot. On iOS, press and hold the side button and either volume button until the slider appears, then drag the slider to turn off and press the side button again to turn it back on. Fix 2. Check physical connections. Make sure all cables are securely connected to your modem and router. Loose connections can disrupt services. Unplug and reconnect the Ethernet cables between router and check. You can also check with alternate cables if you have and replace it if necessary. Fix 3. Change location. Position your router in a central location of wall within your home to minimize interference and optimize signal strength. Move closer to a window or go outside to avoid obstructions like walls that can block signals. Removing your phone case may also help improve reception. Physical barriers like walls and buildings can block signals, so relocating may improve reception. Fix 4. Test with Ethernet connection. Connect a device directly to the modem using an Ethernet cable to see if the internet works without Wi Fi interference. Disconnect any unnecessary devices that may be consuming bandwidth, such as streaming services or large downloads. Fix 5. Check for Windstream outage. You can check Windstream server status on the official Facebook page. Log into your Facebook page, visit Windstream outage page and check for status. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Alternatively, you can also visit Down Detector page to know the status. This link also given in the description. You can directly go through it. Fix 6. Check for payment. Check for any pending payments or the plan expiration. Log into your Windstream account. You will see the pending due in the dashboard itself. Alternatively, you can also go to My Accounts on the top right of the screen. Click View and Pay Bill to check the pending payments. Recharge it if necessary. Fix 7. Restart Wi Fi. Restart the Wi Fi gateway to establish the connection in clean state. Log into your Windstream account using website or app. Go to internet from app or manage Wi-Fi from website. Select reboot Wi-Fi gateway and click reboot to confirm the process. Fix 8. Create new Wi-Fi. There might be issue with the Wi-Fi network since it might be in use for a long period of time. In this, creating new Wi-Fi will resolve the issue. Log into your Windstream account using website or app. Go to internet from app or manage Wi-Fi from website. Select plus icon near reboot Wi-Fi gateway button. Set Wi-Fi name and password to create the Wi-Fi, then toggle it on. Fix 9. Contact Windstream support. If these steps do not resolve your issue, reach out to Windstream technical support via live chat, available 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. CST, or by calling 800-347-1991 for 24/7 assistance. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.